this video, I will show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram Story. First, you need to open up your Instagram session, then you need to go right here into that plus icon to take over on the third selection Story side. When you get right over there, if you go to your camera section and if you tap and hold on it, you're gonna see that just you have 3 seconds, then you have 15 seconds, and then you have 16 seconds to time to that 6 minutes to get up to this video. But if you want to take over a longer video, you need simply to get up here into your gallery, then you need to find out the video which is with a more session on it. For example, it doesn't matter how session on that selection it is, go for videos and try to find out a video which is longer than beside that section, for example this one. And now not just this, also you can upload a video which is up to 10 minutes and take it over to your Instagram Story.